Hi, it's Yvonne again here from Calabria Property Services, just with a quick update on the terrace renovation, which as you can see is still in the process of. They've now removed all the rubble, or the biggest part of the rubble, and it's time to start reconstructing. So the first thing that they've got to do is put in the tubes for waste water and drainage, which you can see they've started to do along the wall here. So that will take away any waste rainwater that comes down the drains. Also on that wall there, as you can see, we've indicated where they're going to be putting the barbecue, the outdoor sink, and any work surfaces that we're going to be using for preparation when we're cooking outside. So we've worked all of that out so that tomorrow, when they start putting in the tubing for the electrics, we know where the lights are going to be, and they can start to put in the electrics for that, because all that needs to be in place before they start obviously setting the concrete base for tiles and things like that. So we'll update you with another process tomorrow.